Well, hi, come on in. My name's Fred. I'm just starting in on a brand new project here to get this old 1999 New Beetle back on the road. Got my parts in the last couple of days. Needs a new radiator, that was shot. Got a transmission filter. I got to do a complete transmission flush because that's the problem with this car right now. It won't shift very well and it just needs to be refreshed a little bit. And I'll be doing some videos on that because that's what this channel is all about. Make this your project. And my mission on Make This Your Project is to help you get the confidence and the knowledge using my experience on doing these sorts of things to take on these projects yourself. Fixing up an old vehicle or keeping your everyday vehicle in shape or doing some remodeling around the home. I've done a lot of that over the years. A lot of experience with putting in drywall, plumbing, electrical. I've done any number of things. And I want to share those experiences with you to give you a leg up on trying to do this stuff yourself. I've always loved the challenge of jumping in there and figuring out how to do things. And I didn't always have people to guide me along the way or show me how to do it. In the old days, I had to go to the library and get a book to get me started on some of the projects. Well, YouTube gives all of us the opportunity to find any number of ways to tackle a project, and I plan to use YouTube to help all of you with your projects. So tune into this channel and there will be more projects coming, like getting this vehicle back on the road. I've got yard work projects coming up, some projects in the house, and I did a lot of projects already on another YouTube channel we have called New Venture, New Day. That was a mixed channel showing people we had hoped different ways they could spend their time in retirement, but it got a little mixed up between do-it-yourself videos and travel videos and other how-to videos. So New Venture, New Day is going to be dedicated to simply showing you travel and event videos and some life experience videos. And this channel, Make This Your Project, is dedicated to DIY. And that's where they're all going to show up going forward. But if you want to see some of my work, take a look back at some of the home repair and other DIY videos that I've already done over the last year on New Venture, New Day. So come along for the ride. Let's get some things fixed up and have some enjoyable project time together. Thanks for tuning in.